the first question, which is it says, with the aid of four-figure logarithm tables, evaluate 0.004592 all raised by 1 over 3. Yeah, what this is simply saying is that we should find the cube root of that number. Okay. For example, if I
Yes,
say
sir.
if I say 8, 8 raised by 1 over 3 is the same thing as 2 raised by 3, then power 1 over 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then I can go ahead and cut the 3 since I'm multiplying powers, then I have to. Alternatively, I will just find the cube root of 8, which is also 2. So you can see the answers are the same, right?
Yes, sir.
So whenever you have power 3, you simply mean cube root. Okay?
Okay, sir.
All right. So let's see how it works. Now, so the first one is 0. Well, so I need to draw my number log. So let me bring this question downward a bit and then take this one to the top. Okay. So here's the question we want to start with using number log. So we're going to write our number and logarithms. So number, then logarithm, and we separate them into whatever like a table. So the number we're given is 0.004592. 4592. So if you want to find the character, we change standard from that is 1, 2, 3. Okay,
Okay, sir.
that's until the first digit. So that is bar 3 because it's to the right. If it's to the left, before we reach a number that is non-zero, then that is, or before we reach the first digit in that number, that will be positive 3. So here now, I have to go and check logarithm 45 under 3 difference 2. Okay, I mean under 9 difference
Okay,
2.
sir.
Logarithm 45 under 9 difference 2 because this is 9 2, not 3 2. So if you are seeing the board, you can see 45 somewhere here. Can you see 45 here? Can you see logarithm 45?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so under 5, I mean under 9. So 9 is the last there. 6618.
619.
Yeah, 6618. And difference 2 is 2. Okay, yeah. So I bring it in.
6620.
6618, yeah, plus 2. That will be 6620. So that will be 6620. Now the next thing is the raised to power 3 or 1 over 3, or we call it cube root. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so not square root but cube root. Cube root of 0.004592 is what we want to do. And so we have, let me write that again, 592. Because it's cube root, if it's a square root, we divide this by 2, okay?
Okay.
But because it's a cube root, we're dividing by 3. So lucky for us in this particular question, this is by 3 and this is 3. So there's no worry, okay?
Okay, sir.
We can just divide it as 3 over 3 gives us 1, and that will be by 1, okay?
Okay.
So by 1, nothing remains. So point 3 in 6 is 2, 3 in this 6 is 2, 3 in 2 is 0, and 3 in 20 is 6. Remember 2. In 20 again, 6, 6, 6, 6. You understand me? It will never finish. So we can round this one up to 7. Okay?
Okay.
And we have about 1.2207. This is our answer that we want to take out of logarithm now. So if we we need to go and check antilog, but our antilog always come with 0 point something, okay?
Yes, sir.
So we now go ahead and check this antilog. Antilog should download here. So this is antilog 22 under 0 difference 7, okay?
Okay, sir.
That's 22. This is 22 here under 0. That is 1660. Then difference 7. Difference 7 is what? 3, okay?
Okay,
So 1660 plus 3. That's 1663, okay? Now, since we are taking it out, so we have 1. Let me check to make sure it's anti-logarithm checking here. Okay. So we have 1663, right?
yes, sir.
Then if we add 1 to this particular number here, it's going to give us 0, right?
Yes, sir.
So that means we don't have to take it out of any logarithm. But wait, I'm trying to see something. Yes, this is by 3 here, and it should work. Check it again, 22. 22, where's that 22 under 0, 16, 60 differently? And it's not, okay, it's not stated whether add difference or subtract difference. I'm trying to check on something first. Let me see. Let me share this calculator,
Okay,
and so that we'll verify, the calculator. If it gives us anything close, we know that, okay, nothing is wrong with the values we have used. Where is the page? Okay. So here, you can see the calculator, right? Can you see the calculator?
so
Yeah, you can see it. So I want to find the cube root of 0.00. I'm having a reservation that something is wrong with this thing, but let me 0.004592, because how can the cube root of this tiny number give me something this big? Okay, wow, it's correct. Okay,
okay,
you know this is 0 point what 1662, right?
yes, sir.
Good. But we got what? 0.1663. So that is what your examiner wants to check. If you go and use a calculator instead of logarithms table, then that difference will show. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Let's proceed to the other one then. The second one has a lot of activities together, a lot of operations, basic operations. This one is only cube root we have found. Here, this second one, it's involving multiplication, involving power, involving division, and a square root. So we have to check on every step and see that it's accurate. So again, we have our number and logarithm. So we divide, the rule and divide this. There are lots of activities in this one, so we have to take it step by step. The first number there is 3.68, okay?
Okay, sir.
But because it's already in a standard form mode, one digit and a point, so no steps, that's 0, okay? Then we need to check logarithms, 36 under 8. So go back to logarithms table and check 36 under 8. Can you see the logarithms table now? So this is 36. Under 8, this is 6, 7, 8. That is 56, 58. Okay, can you hear me? 56, 58. Can you hear me? Let me know if you can hear me, okay? So I have 56, 58 has the value there. So that is 5, 6, 5, 8 for Providence 36 under 8. Hello, Cody, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Cody, can you hear me? Hello,
Mm,
can you hear me?
yes, sir.
Okay, good. I just want to know that you're still connected and the network is working well. So now, next thing is to find the square of this, okay?
Okay, sir.
Square. That means we have to multiply. If it is square root, we'll divide by 2, but now we multiply by 2, okay?
Okay, sir.
So to multiply by 2 means 8 times 2, that is 16, keep 1. 2 times 5, that is 10, 11, keep 1 again. 2 times that's 12, that's 13, keep 1. And 2 times 5 again, that's 10 plus 1, that's 11, keep 1. Then 2 times 0 is 0, then you have 1 here, okay?
Okay, sir.
Now we're done with that. The next thing is the second number here, and that is 6.705. 705. Again, it's already in standard form mode, a digit and a decimal point. So the character is 0. We're not shifting the point to any level. That's 0 steps. So we want to check
Okay,
logarithm 67 under 0 difference 5. Logarithms 67 under 0 difference 5. So can you see 67? That is 1821 under 0, 1821. Then difference 5 is 3. That's 1824. I mean 8261, not 18. Okay? Exactly. 8261. Can you hear me?
yes,
826.
sir.
Yeah, 8261. Then we want to check the difference. Difference on the left. So to the left here, we have difference. Difference what now? Difference 5. That's 3. So 61 plus 3 is 64. That is 8264. We have 8264. Then, what's the next thing there? We want to multiply, okay?
Okay, sir.
To multiply these two values means we're adding these two results together. So, multiplication level, that is 3.68 square times 6.705. So, this is the result at the front here. 6 plus 4, 10. Carry 1. Then 7 plus 1, that's 8. Then 5 here. Then 9 here. And 1 plus 0 is 1. So we are done with the numerator now, okay? Now remains only the denominator. So this is the answer of everything at the numerator. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Let me know if you can hear me. And the next step is at the denominator. So for the denominator, we have 0.3581. Can you hear me? Hello, Cody, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we have this character is -1. Why is the character -1? Because you have to shift your point to the front of the first digit. That will be to make it like standard form. Then we
Wait,
have,
sir.
yeah,
I need to pour water on my face.
okay, okay, please do. Please do. I'll be waiting for you. Let's see. Let's listen to. a song while, yeah, I think I made a song 3 hours ago.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, you're back, right?
Please continue. Yes.
Okay, hold on.
When I look around over the world, I realize
Hold on.
no one to trust
Okay.
but you. No one. I realize I trust your name. I call it my Ramatarapiti. Oh yeah. I call him Ogbeni Ninja Keru Bonija. Oh yeah. Yeah. My friend,
Okay,
trust in the Lord.
we're gonna get started right now. So let me remove this. So we'll continue with our class. Do you understand where I got bar one from? This bar one. I got it from this 0.3. I have to move my point only once. Okay.
Okay.
Then I will go and check logarithms 35 under 8 difference 1. So go to the top now, logarithms 35 under 8 difference 1. So can you see 35 here? Then under 8 is
Yes.
5539. Difference 1 is 1. So 5540. 5540. Now the next thing to do is to find the square root of that number, okay?
Okay.
0.3581. So that means because of square root, I will divide by 2. Now this is something. This bar is not the same as this figure. So we have to make them the same. Okay.
Okay.
So if we want bar 2 to replace bar 1, then we must add something to bar 2 to make it bar 1. That is minus 2 plus what will give me minus 1. Then that something will be negative 1 plus 2, which is going to be 1. So that means bar 2 plus 1 can replace bar 1. Okay?
Okay.
That is negative 2 plus 1 will become negative 1. So that's what we're going to use in order to be able to divide that. So I'm going to replace this with what I'm going to divide is bar 2, then plus 1, which is going to add to this to become 15 with that first 5. And this, then I divide by 2. So if I want to divide this now, I have 2 divided by 2, that is by 1. Then 15, okay? 2 in 15, that's 7. I have a point here. Let me move this a bit. So 2 in 15 is 7, remainder 1. 2 in 15 again, 7. Remainder 1. 2 in 14, 7. Then 2 in 0, 0. So this is what I have here. And now I'm going to write it also to tally with this one at the top here because I'm going to be handling them together, which is this is bar 1.7770. Now, what will I do to this? This is the numerator, this is the denominator. I'm going to subtract them because the question asks us to divide, okay?
Okay.
So, because it's in the division, so that means the whole of this expression that we want to carry out you know, is, I can summarize it and say it's coming, it's coming right down here. Yeah, here. So everything here is what I want to do to come here now. Okay. So whatever result I get here is a result of all of this, okay?
Okay.
So I'm subtracting now. 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 7 is 1. 5 minus 7 is impossible, so 15 minus 7 is 8. Then 8 minus 7 again, 1. Then 1 minus by 1, that will be positive 2, okay?
Okay.
You know, like 1 minus minus 1, and that is 1 plus 1, and that will be 2. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So let me see. Um, see this. This is our answer, but we have to take it out of logarithm. Then we'll use our calculator to verify. So we're checking antilog 18 under 1 different 0, but there's no 0. So antilogs 18 under 1. So if you see 18, we can check and say antilog 18 under 1 is 1517, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, 1517. So I have 0.1517. There is 2 here. If I add 1, it will become 3, okay?
Okay, sir.
That will indicate where my point will go 3 steps to the right because it's positive 1, 2, and 3. So my answer is going to be 151.7, okay? So let us now use a calculator to verify. Can you see the calculator now?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so let me see what we want to do. Number one is that we want to find um, 3.68 all squared. So 3.68 squared gives me this one. Then times 6.705 times 6.705 give me this 90, okay? Then divided by, let's say, divided by, I can open a bracket now. Okay, let me just say 90.8. Let's take note of that, okay? 90.8. Let me take note of it. So I have square root of 0.3581. 0.3581 square root. That gives me 0.5984. Okay? Is that clear? Can you hear me? Let me know if you can hear me. 0.5984. Can you hear me now, Cody? Hello? Can you hear me? Cody? Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes.
So I have 90.8 divided by 0. Um, so 0.5984. So let's see. Okay, this gives me, wait a minute, I think I've pressed it 2 times. So 90.8 divided by 0.5984. So this gives me 151.7. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and you see the answer is the same thing, right?
Yes.
So that means whichever method we use, it's still going to be the same thing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now,
Okay.
can I send you this the recording of this lecture? I mean the video, so that you can watch it and listen again. Probably, if I can lay my hand on some of the indices that we did and these logarithms too, so that I will send it to you. You will download them. You watch over and over. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I'll do that later. But this time around, I'll give you some time to write down the notes. Okay.
Okay.
Now write the notes once you actually let me know.
Okay.